Hey guys, Joey here, Joe's RV Tech DIY. Wanted to point something out on these Southwire surge guards. The model number will say 40450RVC. These are no longer technically available. It'll still say this, but this is actually part number 40450RVC 3. That'll be the number 3, but it won't show the 3 on the cover of the Southwire surge guard. I have yet to see one, but when you look it up online, the part number is 40450RVC 3. So let's open this up. The part that typically goes bad on these is, what will happen is power will come in, and then this is actually what engages, okay? And it allows the power to go through, and then it comes out and it gets distributed to the RV. So typically these fail. So this is the pull side, this is the generator side on this model. Inside these circuit boards, sometimes these circuit boards can have problems because these are now hooked up to Firefly systems. That's what these little connectors are right here, so you can hook it up to your Firefly system. Sometimes these won't be working because your Firefly system, the sense wire inside your Firefly system controller module, I think it's like a GS12. On the GS12 system, there's a sense wire, and it's on. You'd have to look up. I don't want to tell you exactly where it is, but you guys would have to look it up. But sometimes that sense wire is not sensing the power trying to come in, and so the Firefly system will actually stop it from activating the transfer switch. I've only seen one like that so far, but I was able to fix it, and we just replaced the communication cable for the Firefly system. So we might start making videos about Firefly systems because there's a lot of RV technicians that don't really understand how it works, and it's very intimidating to them. But also I want to say there's a lot of RV technicians that do understand how it works. And the biggest thing I can stress is information. Read about it online before you have to work on it, because you'll learn so much more as an RV tech, or even as an owner. Like, you can read about it, because if you better understand it as an owner, you're going to better understand how to use it, and you'll be less likely to have a problem with it. One of the things we see when we go out and work on Firefly systems is when people replace these transfer switches, it'll actually throw the Firefly into like a fault code, and you have to clear it because they're messing around with the batteries, or I don't know exactly what they're doing when they do it. But anytime we change out transfer switches or anything like that, we always disconnect the power, and I recommend you guys do the same thing. 12 volt and the 110 volt side. Unplug it, turn the inverter off. That's the biggest thing. And don't get electrocuted working on these things yourself. I mean, in my opinion, transfer switches should be done only by certified RV technicians and stuff like that. So if you guys are looking for a transfer switch and you want to get a good price on one, I'll post them down here in the description below where you guys can buy them from me and from other RV parts sellers. So we post links to both. World of RV Parts is mine. We also post links to Amazon and some other RV parts suppliers, because at the end of the day, we want you guys to have a choice and not be forced into, you know, just buying it from one person only. One thing I will say is my parts that I sell do come with RV tech support. If you guys want to call and you have a question over the phone, I'd be happy to answer it. Until next time, safe travels out there. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.